Hey, it's Jonathan with A Place Real Estate, Property Management, and Southman Properties here in North St. Louis with a turnkey unit at 2321 Noll Drive, 63136. This is a Green Door Properties product. It's turnkey. We're going to do Section 8 here for all you investors. That'll bring between $1,300 and $1,400 a month, and it'll be a 10% return on your money. Let's check it out. It's a 3-bedroom, 1-bath slab house with a 1-car garage and fenced backyard. You can see the electric. I'm going to turn you sideways here. The electric mast is newer. Take you through the house. And we got a front door. There's a front living room, spacious living room separated by screens to the kitchen. Big window there. Cool house, plenty of space. Got a kitchen cabinets, stove, little eat-in nook for the tenant. So washer and dryer hookup. It is a gas water heater. Washer and dryer hookup. I'll take you outside to the back real quick because there is a 1-car garage access. You've got a fenced backyard, central heating and cooling. It's a Goodman system. So you got a nice little backyard here. Roof's in fairly good shape, looks like. 1-car garage. It's a manual garage door, electric panel there. Updated panel. Your gas service comes in right there. The back of the house, it's got, like I said, 3 bedrooms. You have a hall closet with your central air. You've got a cupboard for your tenants. Large bathroom, bathtub, toilet, vanity. And there is also another little pantry in the bathroom itself. Got wood flooring throughout. This is the biggest bedroom, the back of the house. We'll have this occupied at purchase. Turnkey management is 10% of collections. A Place Property Management. If you'd like more information or to schedule a viewing before it gets occupied, give me a call, 314-276-8421. Jonathan, A Place Real Estate, Southman Properties. Come and get it before it's too late.